Uma, this is your second visit to Reliance Store after your Date Ishqiya promotion. So, how is the overall experience, of visiting Reliance Digital Store?
Coming to this Reliance Digital Store, I think it's been very lucky for me. The first time I'd come for promotions of Date Ishqiya. I've already won 2 awards for it. So I'm hoping after this some more good things are going to fall into my lap. So yeah, I think for every promotion I must come over here. Good things seem to happen.
Well people, yes, it's now time to talk about Reliance Digital. Reliance Digital is India's largest and fastest growing organized consumer electronics retail chain. Reliance Digital seeks to fulfill the dream of every Indian, be it through its nationwide network of conveniently located stores or through its presence on the web, by providing a delightful shopping experience of products and solutions and helping them bring home the latest and best in technology from the widest selection at the lowest assured price with complete peace of mind through lifelong support. With its wide array of latest technology products, Reliance Digital has become a great platform for movie and celebrity promotions, as Huma just told us that she would love to come here and promote all her movies out here. Along with Huma, we also got many superstars who have come to our Reliance store and promoted their movies. Some of them are Aamir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra and many other Bollywood stars who have patronized the Reliance Digital store chain to promote their film. To portray their expression, Reliance Digital in association with Filmfare brings to you the celebrity calendar for 2015. The theme of the calendar is led with the concept of technology gifting and what each of stars on the calendar would like to give their fellow co-stars in the industry. Okay, I think the auspicious moment has arrived where we would be unveiling our precious Filmfare Calendar 2015 in association with Reliance Digital. And to do the honors, may I now have the pleasure of inviting on stage Reliance Digital CEO, Mr. Brian Wade. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a huge round of applause and welcome him on the stage. Welcome, sir. यस दोस्तों, चलिए थाम के बैठते हैं क्योंकि आखिर में वो घड़ी आ ही गई है जहाँ पे हम यहाँ पे अनवील कर रहे हैं the most prestigious, the most awaited Filmfare Calendar 2015 in association with Reliance Digital. People, let's have a huge round of applause.
Best Beginner is half done. So you got awards on the yearly start. You got published on a magazine. So what's next, Umana?
What's next? There's so much to do, yeah. I think sky's the limit, and like you rightly said, well begun is half done. So I want to be on the cover of all the magazines and launch all the calendars and the year beginning and year ending issues and do lots of films and make lots of money and lots of endorsements. So I don't know. I mean, I'm quite a greedy person as far as that is concerned, so I obviously want more and more.
But are you a gadget freak in life?
I honestly, I'm not a gadget freak, but it's surprising how much we've come to rely on gadgets in our day-to-day life, from your meetings to planning to, it's become like, at least my iPhone's become everything, from my alarm clock to my social calendar to contacts. Like I don't remember phone numbers anymore. Like I remember this one time, it was so scary, like my phone stopped working and I just remembered my own number and my dad's number. And my dad was traveling around the country, so I just didn't know how to call anyone because I didn't remember anything. That's how much we've come to rely. I think jitna more and more we're becoming sort of reliant on gadgets, the lesser of our brain cells we seem to be using.
Your cover page, the photo shoot is looking very sensuous you're looking absolutely sensuous in the picture. How you managed to look so hot? I mean, on the red carpets also looking stunning this year, and I think
you should talk to the fashion police. They seem to be out for me, but you should definitely.
But after seeing this picture, I'm sure they won't write bad things for you. How you manage?
I really don't know. Yeah, like I always say, I'm a work in progress. When I came in first, I was everyone thought I was a desi girl. I was from B center. Isko English nahi aati. थोड़ा बिहारी accent में बात करती है, she doesn't know how to dress up people because people make these kind of assumptions about you by watching your films, and a film is a character, right? It's not really you. So when I gave my first interview, they were like, really, आपको अंग्रेजी आती है? Then I was like, हाँ, मतलब I don't talk in that Bihari accent all the time, you know. And as far as the red carpet appearances are concerned, you know, thank you. I'm glad you noticed, you appreciate. It's not something that you sort of grow up doing. So it's something that's acquired. And I have some lovely people and my stylists who help me look the way I do. And I don't know what to do, what I do without them. Because, you know, just how an outfit would look in person, how it will photograph, it's a science really, yeah. I mean, all the girls will agree with me. I mean, just like what outfit will go with what bag and shoes and how your hair needs to be done. It's something that you cultivate over a period of time. So, I'm a work in progress. मुझे मराठी बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती, and thankfully इसने मुझसे बुलवाने की कोशिश भी नहीं की, वो बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाती है. I think I'll take at least a couple of years to learn Marathi, but you know, I met this director and he came through a reference, Mr. Sameer Sharma, who had shot Love Shaft, Chicken Kurana, he recommended him. He said, you know, you must watch his films because apparently he'd done a couple of films and they all had been selected at the Berlin Film Festival. Although they were in Marathi, and he'd won over there. So because it's very sad, I don't watch a lot of regional cinema, so उन्होंने मुझे recommend किया, मैंने वो फिल्में देखी and they were really beautiful films. And this film Highway is again very special because it's about different stories about people who are going on that journey from Mumbai to Pune and what happens over there. And it's one of the stories, I'm playing an actress in it. Surprise, surprise. But it's a television actress, it's a very interesting part. So I had fun, and Umesh, the director, is a very interesting guy. He has a very interesting way of directing actors. So it was fun. It's also, I mean, you know, we're hoping it's just editing it, so we're hoping it'll garner a lot of critical acclaim. So that's it. Badlapur is special. It's also a film I'm very scared of because, like I've said in the interview before, it's something that's outside my comfort zone. It's a director I've always wanted to work with, Sriram Raghavan, and you see Varun Dhawan the way you've never seen Varun Dhawan before. So I keep pulling his leg, you know, all your kiddie bachas are going to run away because you're playing this really edgy guy, you know, who's almost like a monster, you know, and he goes completely crazy. I can't tell you more about it, but it's a film that really, I think whether it's me, it's Varun, it's Nawaz, it's really put all of us outside our comfort zones because that's just the kind of director Sriram Raghavan is. He never lets you be comfortable on set. No, बाकी directors होते हैं आपको बोलते हैं, what do you want? Be comfortable. You should be taken care of. He, I mean, in the middle of the scene, will try and throw something at you which will just make you uncomfortable, and he will just, you know how when you corner an animal, वो कैसे झटपटाता है. So he just likes to capture you in that zone, and I think the film required that. It required him to push all of us. You know, I remember one day Varun and I had come on set and we had a scene together. So he was like, please मुझसे बात करो. एक हफ्ते से मुझसे किसी ने बात नहीं की है. You know, I'm dealing with all the assistants because he's a fun guy and he likes to joke around. So Sriram must have told him, nobody talk to him, don't move around. You have to be in the zone and everything. So that's what he does. Yeah, he's really exceptional. I hope the film does well. I'm glad for all those likes on YouTube. And right now, if you look at it, कुछ picture का बाहर आया नहीं है. Just one song and that little teaser we put out, so no one really knows what's it about, and I think that's the thing we're trying to play on, just trying to be an enigma. I used to keep all cutouts of all Shah Rukh Dikshit. Actually, so film फेयर से आपने सही कहा, बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है and बहुत ही अच्छा रिश्ता है. कोई भी I think अगर फिल्म लवर है, so you know फिल्म फेयर उसकी लाइफ को कहीं ना कहीं छूता है. And फिल्म फेयर एक ऐसी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैगजीन है जो हमें बॉलीवुड के बारे में, मूवीज़ के बारे में इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज़ देती है and a very interesting way, in a beautiful way. And film now as an actor I feel is just so much. It's really special. It's really special. Appreciating the fact that I put in some effort toward my red carpet appearances. I think it's coming from the fact that because I've grown up as a tomboy, so I've never really, you know, I guess before becoming an actress, I never really thought about what I was wearing. I कुछ भी पहन लेती थी, and I'm quite a pajamas, t-shirt sort of a girl. So, but it's really nice, I guess, to dress up. And like I said, the awards are very, very special. They happen once a year, where the entire community sort of, you know, gets together and they sort of I guess, pat ourselves on the back saying, you know, well done, one more year gone and well, good films made. So yeah, I mean, I try. I have a great team now, which over the last couple of years I've put together. They help me look the way I do, and they just help me design my red carpet looks. But I think I still have a long way to go. I call myself a work in progress, and I have a lot to learn because there's some incredibly fashionable people out there. So yeah. See, I can't really comment on what the yardsticks are, or rather should be, for the jury or for the awards. If you ask me personally, in my opinion, I think Kangana Ranaut is the best actress for this year. She's done a wonderful performance in Queen, and in fact I messaged her personally when I saw the film. I thought she was exceptional. I don't think anybody else would have done it better. What the yardsticks or how these awards are done, I'm not the right person. I think the jury members are a better judge of how that entire process happens. I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you.